हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू अनदर फ्लैश कार्ड वीडियो बाय केसी साइंस टॉक्स। आई एम डॉक्टर कोमल और इस वीडियो में हम स्टडी करेंगे फ्लैश कार्ड्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर ब्रीदिंग एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस। जैसा कि मैं और भी वीडियोस में बताती आई हूँ, मैं हर फ्लैश कार्ड के बाद 5 सेकेंड्स का पॉज लूँगी जिससे कि आपको आंसर सोचने का मौका मिले। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फ्लैश कार्ड्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर ब्रीदिंग एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस। How do sponges, coelentrates and flatworms breathe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By simple diffusion over their entire body surface. How do amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals respire? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lungs. At what level trachea divides into a right and left primary bronchi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. Which structure closes the glottis during swallowing to prevent the entry of food into windpipe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Epiglottis. Which of the following is incorrect about larynx? It is a bony box. Glottis is opening into larynx. It helps in sound production. It is also called sound box. Come on, think about the answer. Which statement is incorrect? So the statement which is incorrect is A. It is a bony box. An additional volume of air a person can inspire by forcible inspiration is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2500 ml to 3000 ml. Vital capacity includes Vc is equal to dash plus dash plus dash. Guys, ये बहुत ही important है। ERV plus TV plus IRV. Okay. Every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood delivers approximately dash ml of dash to the alveoli. Deoxygenated blood पूछा गया है। ये स्टेटमेंट्स का आंसर जब आप करेंगे तो ये क्लियर होगा कि आपको कितना NCERT आपने पढ़ी है, कितना आपको याद है। ठीक है। So the answer is 4 ml of CO2. Lungs are made up of air-filled sacs, the alveoli. They do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of lungs collapse क्यों नहीं करती? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because of residual volume. Pneumotaxic center, which can moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center, is present in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pons region of brain. Name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Emphysema. Under normal physiological conditions in human beings, every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver dash ml of O2 to the tissues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ml of O2. In the alveoli, these factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin dash PO2 dash CO2 dash H plus concentration and dash temperature. ठीक है, important है ये. 1 2 3 4 5. High PO2, low PCO2, lesser hydrogen ion concentration, lower temperature. The diffusion membrane is made up of 3 major layers. Name them. Think about the answer. So it is made up of the thin squamous epithelium of alveoli, the endothelium of alveolar capillaries, the basement substance. Complete the statement about the transport of O2 in blood. So the statement is about 97% of O2 is transported by dash, remaining 3% of O2 is carried in dash state through dash. सो गाइज, अगर आपने एनसीईआरटी की लाइंस को अच्छे से पढ़ रखा है तभी आप इस फ्लैश कार्ड का आंसर दे पाएंगे. So about 97% is transported by RBCs in the blood and rest 3% is transported in dissolved state through the plasma. When we get an oxygen dissociation curve, what is plotted against what? Very important. 1 2 3 4 5. So when percent saturation of hemoglobin with O2 is plotted against the PO2, we get an oxygen dissociation curve. Okay. RBCs contain a very high concentration of an enzyme. What is it? कौन सा एंजाइम होता है? Carbonic anhydrase. True or false? The role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. You have to tell whether this statement is true or false. So this is true. Okay. Now complete the statement. Dash is difficulty in breathing causing dash due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Asthma and wheezing. ठीक है. Asthma is difficulty in breathing causing wheezing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. What are the primary sites of exchange of gases? 1 2 3 4 5. Alveoli. Very easy question. Tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume IRV is equal to inspiratory capacity IC. Tell the term volume of air that will remain in the lungs after a normal expiration. Functional residual capacity. The thoracic chamber is formed dorsally by the, ventrally by the, laterally by the, on the lower side by the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ठीक है, इसमें मैंने 10 काउंट किया है क्योंकि थोड़ा बड़ा है ना. चलो जानते हैं इसका आंसर. Dorsally by the vertebral column, ventrally by the sternum, laterally by the ribs and on the lower side by the diaphragm. Identify the health related problem caused due to bad working conditions such as stone breaking and grinding. Option A, wheezing. B, bronchitis. C, decrease in respiratory surface of alveoli. D, proliferation of fibrous tissue in lung. This is also clearly from the NCERT. So the answer is D, that is proliferation of fibrous tissue in lung.